I've been awake since like 9-10 kasi may naging meeting ako kaninang umaga and it went well. So now wala. Our next thing that we're gonna do is at 1. It's just an appointment for me. So now we're just gonna chill here for a little bit. Probably watch our vlogs. Cat's doing the laundry over here. And then I'm making banana bread over here. And it's only 10:39. Super productive today. Okay, so this is ready to go in there. That's just waiting to be heated. Kat is outside cleaning. And I'm gonna make us breakfast. Just avocado toast with yung dinner rolls from Superstore. Okay, so ito tinatoast ko na lang. And then tapos na yung eggs. And yan. Ito akin lang to kasi sikat hindi kakain yan. This is just for the bread. And then ito yung mga hinarvest. Still thinking about anong gagawin namin dito. And then yung banana bread nasa loob na. So we're making pretty good timing. It's only 11, so that will be done by like 12:10, but just before we leave. So, and then we're gonna eat after this toast. Nagtapon lang ata ng basura si Kat. So, she's not here anymore, I think. Are you still here? Okay, she's not. Yeah, so just waiting for this to toast. Tapos, yun na yun. Linis lang ako na onte. Okay, so this is my breakfast. That's Kat's breakfast. And then, sabi ni Kat, magtatapon daw kami ng, or recycle ng
benta. Kalakal.
Yeah. Magbebenta ng kalakal na yung araw na to. So, yeah. Okay, we're just gonna eat breakfast now. Ito. Saan mo gusto? Doon tayo? Okay.
Magtitimpla lang ako ng kape.
Okay. Nandito yung computer ko kasi
May meeting siya.
Nag-meeting ako kaninang umaga. Anyways, kain na muna tayo. This is just ayun nga. Bread, avocado, tomatoes, and egg. So, again, everyone. So, ngayon paalis na kami. Nasaan ba si Kat? Paalis na kami ngayon. Marami kaming pupuntahan. Ang first stop namin ay magbabenta kami, tapos magda-dollar store kami, tapos magbe-Best Buy kami, and then itatry namin mag-IKEA and dollar store kung pwede man. Pero medyo late na kami, so we'll just see what's going to be the next stops. But anyways, we'll see you doon sa kotse. I got with the...
Hindi ka nagsasabi.
Ayan. Yan yung ibibenta namin ngayon. Right, everybody. Now we are here at...
Bottle Depot ba?
True. Yeah. So we're gonna sell our bottles that we have accumulated for... Ilan na yun?
Actually, mga 3 months.
Tagal na yun eh. So, wala naman masyado. But we'll see how much it is. All of this. Liit lang yan, no? Cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 trays. Okay, now we're gonna take it to the cashier. $8. Okay, now we are at Best Buy and Dollarama. So magsa-switch na lang kami. I mean, magsa-split na lang kami ni Kat. Dollarama siya, tapos Best Buy ako. Kasi we gotta go. We're kind of running late. So, alright. See you later na lang. Here. Let's go.
Seryoso ba yan,
At 3. Okay. Papasok na ata kami.
2,000 years later.
We failed.
Mark, gusto mo?
Gumagalaw pala yun.
Kamusta, Lex?
Loser.
Loser. Hiya. And si Sam. Si Sam. Na long time no see, Sam. And sila. And then, there's Ben and Alex. Kain kami ng Korean. I don't know where yet. Or where it is. But we'll see. Ito yung kakainan ng...
Salanan.
Ito. Wow, so nice in here. And we're now set. Para tayong... Pwede kang mag-ano dito, board meeting.
Pag meeting may griller. Ay, saan yung menu?
Ayun na, tapos na kaming kumain. Wow! Oh, steamer! Ang ganda ng floor!
It's like nasa museum. Sabi ng waiter, ano pa gusto pala ni Bea kumain ng hotdog?
Ba't parang may pagkalasway?
Sabi ko lang naman,
Ako nga, ako nga yung may gustong kumain.
Ano pa gusto pala ni kumain ni Bea? Welcome to Jollibee.
Oh, thank you! Wow, sarap!
Saan kayo mag-Christmas Day?
Hindi ko nga alam, may pinag-iisipan.
Wow, sarap!
Buti na lang hindi
Banday nyo na.
Okay, so our last stop for the day is Shoppers Drug Mart. Because we do not have Tylenol at home anymore, and we do not feel good because of the vaccine from yesterday. So we're gonna go buy some vaccine. We're gonna go buy some Tylenol. Ayun, entrance. Ayun. Yeah. So we are now ending our night. Bumili ako ng pang help mag-sleep para magandang tulog ko mamaya. Tapos bumili si Kat ng eucalyptus. Then we bought Advil. Ayan. We only spent $26 for all of these three because we had PC points to claim. So yeah, drive na kami uli and then we'll see you at home.